All right, so let's go ahead and start with About Me. About Me is divided into different sections and there's different surveys. So two ways to access this is by just clicking here and then go ahead and play around with it, or by clicking on the top one where it says About Me. So if we click on this, it's also going to tell you to start on this section. So we're first going to start with the matchmaker. If you want to go ahead and do the rest, you're more than welcome to, but for this one, we're going to focus on matchmaker. So basically, it's going to ask you a series of questions based on your interest, and it might match some careers that maybe you did not consider or maybe you are considering. So for example, for me, I am going to practice and I'm going to put start quiz. Now, again, you get to learn a little bit about what Matchmaker is, and you're going to answer this not fast, but being honest with yourself. Don't overthink it. So for example, it says, what would you like to do after high school? Maybe you're not sure, okay? Or maybe you want to do more school or training, or maybe you want an alternate route. Whatever it is, you get to choose this first. For me, I will say more school or training, okay? Then I'm going to start the matchmaker. Now, for this, very simple. You get to, it says here, how do you feel about working with children? If you like it very much, you click or say, yeah, I like it or not sure, whatever it is. Okay. So what you're going to do is answer 39 questions. Don't overthink it. You just answer. So I would say, I like this very much. And then it takes you to the next one. Okay. So be honest. Maybe you don't like working outside any weather. I don't. So I put dislike very much. The 39 questions, it's going to give you a result.